everyone, welcome to our video. Let's begin with the book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with chapter number 11, Scientific Instruments and Terms. So, instruments are what? They are used by scientists for different purposes and hence they are known as scientific instruments. They help us in our day-to-day life. Now what you have to do is you have to write the names of the scientific instruments with the help of the help desk. Let's begin. Instruments and the uses. They are asking you by putting a fill up, that means the name of the instrument will come and this is the use of that particular instrument. Dash examines internal parts of the body. So means there you will write the name of the instrument and here this is the particular use of that instrument. So let's quickly begin with the exercise and do the fill in the blanks. So the first is dash examines the internal parts of the body and the answer for this question is endoscope. Next we have dash records electric waves of the brain and the answer for this question is EEG. Next we have dash compares intensity of colors and the answer for this is colorimeter. Fourth question traces movements of the heart. What traces the movements of the heart? And the answer is ECG. Next, fifth one, dash analyzes the sounds of heart and lungs. And the answer for this is stethoscope. Next we have dash records the changes in the physiological processes and used as a lie detector and the answer is polygraph. Next we have dash uses ultrasound to make echograms and the answer is echocardio. Next is the eighth one, dash measures relative density of milk and the answer for this question is lactometer. Then we have the ninth one and it says dash measures the blood pressure and the answer for this is sphygmomanometer. I repeat, it is pronounced as sphygmomanometer. 10th is dash measures the height of an object above a fixed level. And what is the answer for this? The answer is altimeter. ALTIMETER. So this was all about the various kinds of instruments which are used as a scientific instrument. I hope you have understood the chapter. Be sure you write the correct spelling. Use the help desk. Well, on the next page we have certain more questions and these are fill in the blanks. They again say that fill in the blanks with the help of the help desk. So come on, let's use the help desk and fill them quickly. Let's begin with the first one and it says that the study of fossils is called dash and the answer is paleontology. Next we have the study of fruits and what it is called as? It is called as pomology. Then the third one, the study of teeth and gums is called odontology or the other name is dentistry. Then the fourth question, the study of human beauty is called calology. Then the next fifth one is the study of environment is called ecology. It is also known as environmental science. Next, the study of heredity is called genetics. The science of taking care of health is called hygiene. The science of healthcare and treatment of animals is called veterinary science. We call it as veterinary science. Then the ninth one, the science dealing with the effect of radiation on living beings is called as radiobiology. Then the 10th one, the science or the study of classification and nomenclature is called as taxonomy or taxonomy. So this is all about the chapter now, and the chapter is now completed. I hope you have understood all the questions and the answers. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.